Welcome again. This is UA Capital. I'm Akash Dhawan. We're going to learn today how to apply IPO from Motilal Oswal app. So they have two app, MO Investor and MO Trader. You can't apply IPO from MO Trader app, so you should have the MO Investor app. Here it is. Let's click on it. This is ad. Just close it. Now go to the option tab. Here it is. Then here it is, invest now option. Click on it. Then IPO. Now you see here ongoing IPO. So right now there is only one IPO you can apply for, that's Zomato Limited. Click on this drop down button. Now download and apply. There are two tabs. If you want PDF for step by step how to apply IPO, you can click on download. So there is a PDF which Motilal Oswal already made. You will learn how to apply IPO from that PDF. Now second tab is apply. Just click on it. Now you need to click on this cutoff price, right? Here you can see the price range 72 to 76, then minimum quantity 195, then open date 14 to 16. So for 3 days you can apply for this IPO. Price range is around 72 to 76, minimum quantity is 195. That means one lot equal to 195 shares. Two lots means 195 into 2, 390. Like that, multiple lots if you want to buy, you need to write here. So suppose you want to apply just one lot, then it will be 195. Just don't change anything here. Then come to the UPI ID, click on it. Now you can find your UPI ID in Beam app or Phone Pay or Google Pay, whatever UPI you already downloaded in your mobile. Just type your UPI ID here and then click on term and conditions and then just click submit. Your order will get executed for your IPO, and then there will be one mandate which will receive in your UPI, whatever it is, Phone Pay or GPay or Beam. So you need to complete that mandate or approve that mandate, then your fund will get blocked from your bank account, saving account. All right, once it get blocked, that means your IPO process is successfully done. If you get your shares, Zomato shares, then it will transfer to your Demat account. You can see in your Demat account. If you don't get it, then don't feel bad. So many people won't get the Zomato IPO, that's for sure. And in the future, if next IPO comes, you can apply for it. I guess you understand how to apply IPO in MO Investor app. And if you like our video, then give us likes and share it with your friends and family. And if you want us to make a video on anything related to financials or stock market, then you can write down in the comment section. We will meet in the next video. I'm Akash Dhawan. This is UA Capital. Your investment journey starts here.